Hello, I'm Erica Lamont. I'm a student at ACC and I'm from New Orleans and I'm also an evacuee.
Distant fathers, fallen warriors, givers always say, pilgrim saints, lonely.
This morning here in Gulfport with wind gusts now pushing 60 miles an hour. And it's getting ready to make landfall.
I would tell her just leave, turn around and just leave.
3 adults and a 2-year-old from the New Orleans area were killed in this wreck along Interstate 20.
Sometimes I cannot forgive. These days mercy cuts so deep. If the world was how it should be, maybe I could get some sleep.
I lost my church, my school, everything. I don't want to be here, but it's what it is. I just want to go home.
Sometimes I can close my eyes and all the fear that keeps me silent falls below my heavy breathing. What makes me so badly bent? We all have a chance to.
Can't find her body. She gone.
You can't find your wife?
Oh, she told me everywhere she told me. I tried. I hold her hand tight as I could, and she told me, "You can't hold me."
To make of heaven, all the times I thought to reach up, all the times I had to give babies underneath their beds, hospitals that cannot treat them, all the wounds that money causes, all the comforts of cathedrals, all the cries of thirsty children. This is our inheritance, all the rage of watching mothers. This is our greatest defense. Oh my God.
The whole house is gone. What do? Do I bring this and take a chance of him getting ill?
Lost and found, ailing wanderers, healers always say.
Rather, I'm going back home. Hopefully, it'll be fixed. I don't lose my home.
Say, broken hearted.